Welcome to the worst curly wavy hair routine on the internet. I immediately get off to a controversial start. I brush my hair dry.
Wait, she brushes her hair dry and it still looks good? Let's try it.
I brush my hair dry. I have a very loose texture, so I can do this on dry hair.
Brush it dry. Kind of hurts. Before I go wash, I wanted to show you this is how my hair looks when I brush it. This is this girl, she brushes her hair dry. So I'm just trying to follow her routine and see if it works for me or not. But this is, if step one looks like this, I don't know.
Cool. I double shampoo and then I use a hair mask. Very gentle with my hair in the shower.
Did she leave in the hair mask? Maybe I should do that. She probably rinsed it out.
While you are here, let's discuss 7 signs your curly hair needs a deep conditioning treatment. 1. Your hair is always dry and brittle, like it's about to break. Now, dry hair is one of the main signs that your hair is not getting enough moisture. So if you just leave it the way it is, the dryness can make your hair brittle and very hard to manage. So if you notice that your curls are more stiff and dry than usual, then it's a sign that you need a nice moisture mask in your routine. Now, if your hair is looking dull and lacks shine, then it's time for a hair mask, because healthy hair that is properly nourished is a little bit shiny. But if your hair starts to appear dull, it's a sign to change your routine and add some nutrients.
Once I get out of the shower, I don't brush my hair and I don't part it.
She didn't part, she didn't brush, no curl cream, no leave-in. She just gets straight into the mousse.
So from there, I go in with the mousse and I take about 4 pumps of this and I don't section my hair.
Oh yes, there are more signs that you need a hair mask. We are still on it. If you feel that your hair keeps snapping and breaking off, if you notice that whenever you brush your hair or after styling, after drying, you see these little bitty hairs that are sticking out, that's a major sign that your hair is lacking adequate moisture.
Flip my entire head upside down, kind of run it down, and then scrunch up. Once I'm done there, I go right to gel. I take a very teeny tiny amount.
Little tiny bit of gel. Tiny.
While you see me scrunch my hair, I'll share some more reasons why you need a hair mask in your routine. Okay, here's another one. You went a little overboard with heat styling. Now, if you are heat styling, that is using blow dry or like straightening your hair a lot, then you can see some damage to your curls and you know you've gone overboard. So you'll notice your hair feels drier and it's weaker. So this is a time where a deep conditioner is so important. It'll help you strengthen your curls and revive it with nourishment and moisture. Another reason is if your hair is high porosity, like if you have color treated hair, then automatically you need a hair mask in your routine.
And same process as the mousse. I kind of just flip my head over, don't section, and then scrunch all the way through. Don't put your gel away just yet. My hair's around 60% dry. I take even more gel and do the same exact thing.
Diffused, more gel at 60% dry. Okay, let's do this. She also puts more gel on the side. Just to calm down all the frizzies.
Flip my hair over, I run it down, and I scrunch. I also flip side to side and put a little extra on the top.
One last reason that your hair needs a hair mask or a deep conditioner right now is you have a lot of fairy knots and tangles. Like your curly hair is naturally prone to tangles because it's dry. But if you're getting excessive tangles that is just every time you style or you comb your hair or it's just there, it's a sign that your hair is super dry and it needs that deep conditioning.
These are my results every single time.
Did you see the back of my hair? I have never seen it so defined and so uniform, and I didn't even use a brush. Like what? I don't have any wonky curls. No finger coiling either. Could this be my new summer routine? Oh my god. It feels light. It doesn't have enough volume like my usual routine, and hair feels like there's some grit in there. So mind is blown right now. Yeah, I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, I used everything from one brand. I didn't want to experiment a new routine and try all random brands. No, just stick to the stuff that I know how it works. Oh my god, you should try it.